Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about unitary method. Unitary method, a method in which we obtain first of all one quantity one quantity to find the value of required quantity. The problem on unitary method solved with the help of variation. There are two types of variation. First, direct variation. Direct variation. Direct variation. Two quantities are said to two quantities are said to be in direct variation. Two quantities are said to be in direct variation. If x y equal to k constant, that implies if x change into x1, y change into y1, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 equal to constant. In direct variation, if one quantity increase, then other also increase, or one quantity decrease, then other quantities also decrease. Number of cost, number of article, and number of costs. Number of cost increase, number of article increase, then costs increase. Number of article decrease, then costs decrease. Second is inverse variation. Inverse variation. In inverse variation, inverse variation in inverse variation, if one quantity increase, then other quantities decrease, or one quantity is decrease, then other quantities increase. Number of labor and number of working days. So two quantities x and y are said to be in inverse variation. Inverse variation, if x into y equal to k, that implies x1 into y1 equal to x2 into by 2 equal to K. Write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 9A according to unitary method. Question number 1 is written on this board. If 15 orange cost rupees 110, what do 39 orange cost? First method, by unitary method, since 15 orange cost rupees 110. First find the cost of one orange. So therefore, one orange cost equal to rupees 110 divided by 15. Now find the cost of 39 orange equal to rupees 110 by 15 multiply 39. 3 5 ja 15. 13 3 ja 39. Now find 110 divided by 5. 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 10. 22 multiplied by 13. So 13 to the 26 and 13 to the 26. 6 plus 2 8, 286. Rupees 286 answer. Next method is variation method. It is in direct variation. 15 orange cost 110, 39 orange cost more than 110, and more orange more cost, less orange less cost. So write it. First, number of orange in first box, number of orange and second box cost in rupees, So number of cost, number of orange 15. 15 orange cost rupees 110. And number of orange 39. So its cost is X by dV by direct variation. 15 by 110 equal to 39 by X. By cross multiplication, 15 into X equal to 39 into 110. That implies X equal to 39 into 110 by 15. 5 3 the 15, 13 3 the 39, and 22 5 the. So equal to rupees 286. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of exercise 9A. The cost of 37 meter of silk is rupees 6,290. What length of this silk can purchase for rupees 4,420? So first write length of silk. Length of silk in meter. Length of silk in meter. In second box, cost. Cost in rupees. (37 meter). Length of silk is 37. The cost of 37 meter 6,290 rupees. 6,290. Now cost of silk is rupees 4,420. Find the length of silk. So suppose the length of silk is x by dv. dv means direct variation. 37 by 6,290 equal to x by 4,420 by cross multiplication. 6,290 into x equal to 37 into 4,420. That implies x equal to 37 into 4,420 by 6,290. 0 to 0 cancel. 37 629 divided by 37 by 17 times. 17 2 जा 34, 102, 17 6 जा 102, so 26 meter of silk. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5 written on this board. A car can cover a distance of 357 kilometer. 357 kilometer on 42 liters of petrol. A car can cover a distance of 357 kilometer on 42 liters of petrol. How far can it travel on 12 liters of petrol? By direct variation, write first column distance. In first column, distance. Unit of distance is in kilometer. Distance in kilometer. In second box, petrol. In liter. Unit of petrol, liter, in liter. First box, distance 357 kilometer. 357. Petrol 42 liters. Next box, petrol 12 liter. So find the distance, suppose x kilometer, by dv, by direct variation, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. So 357 by 42 equal to x by 12 by cross multiplication 42 into x equal to 357 into 12. That implies x equal to 357 into 12 divided by 42 divided by 42. So 6 2 ja 12 and 6 7 ja 42 and 7 times 7 5 ja 35 and 7 1 ja 7. 51 into 2 1 2 ja 2 and 5 2 ja 10. 102 kilometer distance. Students, understand and write it. Homework. Solve exercise 9A, question 1, question number 1 to 6. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 9A, question number 1 to 6. Thank you. That's all.